I rented a room that wasn't meant for humans. This isn't a ghost story. There were no footsteps, no cold spots, no whispers in the dark. What I found wasn't supposed to be on this side of reality. I travel a lot for work. One night the hotels were all booked. I was desperate. I found a room listed on an obscure rental site. Oh, reviews, no photos, just a description. Room is quiet. Room is safe. Room is for those who see. I should have said no. When I got there, the woman at the desk didn't speak, just handed me the key, with fingers too long and skin too thick. The hallway smelled like metal. The air buzzed, not loud, like it was alive. The room was plain. A bed, a desk, no windows. But there was a door, on the far wall padlocked shut, with symbols carved around the frame. I tried to ignore it. Just one night, I told myself. At 3:11 a.m., the tapping started, from the other side of the door. I didn't sleep. I sat in bed and stared at the door. The tapping got faster. Then the lock clicked open by itself, and that's when I saw it. Not a monster, not a demon, just me standing there, but taller, hollow eyes, a mouth that didn't open, it peeled. And it said something without sound. Let me in. I'm the version of you that belongs here. I slammed the door. I ran down the hallway, past the front desk, but the woman wasn't there. Nothing was. Just empty walls, stretched wrong, like I was, in a place that copied ours, badly. I reached the street. The sun was rising, but the shadows, they were moving backward. I checked out the next day, or maybe it checked me out. Ever since, my reflection lags. My shadow flickers. I hear tapping in places without doors. That room wasn't for people. It was for something older. Something that wears people like clothes. And now that it's seen me, it knows how I fit. Don't rent what wasn't made for you.